or meteors, asteroids. After coronal mass ejection, the sun does have an atmosphere around it. All celestial objects have atmospheres around it, in case you didn't know. And some of these objects solidify. The plasma that is shot out, like it was just less than 24 hours ago, you will see an accumulate. Look how fast that is, by the way. This is still slowed down so that you can see it. I did not see one object going by until I slowed it down. And of course, all going by the same angle as the sun is rising in the sky. They should be going left and right, but I can see these objects going from top to bottom in front of the sun and or between Earth and the sun. So the fun part is that all the objects have different shapes, and you can tell and differentiate the differences of the objects. You know, they just launched a whole shitload of satellites again. They just launched a whole lot of things that are obviously secretive and that they're not telling us about. Triangular-ish object going by. Yeah, it is. Look at the point on that. Look at that. Going across the sun, which, again, it's turned around the sun now, so you can see it going right to left. They're all going top to bottom. Every single object going the same direction from top to bottom during the sunrise yesterday. That was June 22nd. We're June 23rd today. We are expecting, or not, to have some radiation, maybe skim Earth. I've been having problems with the internet all day today and all day yesterday at the very moment that the sun exploded. So we saw radio emissions, both type 2 and type 4, which the type 2 are very rare. So look, slowing it down, you can see a spot going by, and you slow it down even more to try to differentiate what these objects are. Now, don't start doing this in April, or do start doing this in April when there's pollen. You'll be able to differentiate and see the differences of the speeds of the objects going by, which is holy shit. Now, these are fast, okay? Slowing it down so we can analyze those objects and see what the hell is flying around out there. There's definitely some type of war, if I was to guess, going on around Earth. Or quite simply, these are definitely UFO or asteroids, just rocks coming in. Could be the leftover from the X flare whizzing by or between Earth and the sun. So like these objects can be extremely far away. It doesn't mean the objects are close. You see how many there are? You're like this is crazy. It just didn't stop for the whole 2 minutes. Straight up 2-minute footage that you see all this shit going by, and then all of a sudden, nothing, you know? But people think that if you think it's a bird, well, go outside and film a bird with a solar filter. Good luck. Good luck. Try to get to, close to the sun, especially. Good luck. The sun's, look at them. They're out of control debris, right? Looks like broken up crap. Just like some of the same objects that I've been showing over the years, because don't forget, some debris, look at the point on that. Some debris will remain around Earth and like forever, like for long periods of time, right? So we can capture these objects. We have the media, NASA, liars or not, they're telling us, again, I don't hide that I can get debris. This is definitely, I believe, debris. But then again, some, person can say, bro, it could be a UFO. Sure. It's a UFO, right? It's unidentified. We don't know what it is. It looks like massive debris or some type of blanket, and loose or tarp, or why do I say tarp? Because they say the Dark Knight's a tarp. Yeah, right, eh? Well, we can see it very well, the debris. And that was in 2021, through this middle of the year that I was able to capture that. Here again, 2021, at the end of 2020, I don't even know anymore. Maybe beginning 21, I don't remember. An object hit the moon not long ago. These are recent captures. We see a shape and form because they just said that a rocket supposedly hit the dark side of the moon. Well, this one looks like it's also going to hit the dark side, or, of course, because of the reflectivity of the moon, we lose its... We don't know where it is, whether it went in front or in back of the moon. I believe it went behind the moon because I didn't see it, or any explosion on this side, just an explosion on the edge, which you can't see the explosion in this here. Color, lots of color in that object coming down, and it was out of control. You can see it's some type of out of shape object, debris, piece of something, right? But very scary to see an actual shape and form. It looks at one point like the fire comes out right here at the bottom to try to keep its stability, which maybe just my imagination, but imagine if it was Elon Musk. And that's basic object, a basic way of showing the object that I moving right along. You getting dizzy yet? I think I'm showing too much, maybe. We're on the moon. Smoke screen on platforms with pipes and tunnels sending smokes to areas, and one of the biggest pipes and tunnels at the bottom of Copernicus crater. Right there. You see it yet? It's there. And all that white around Copernicus is smoke coming from a tunnel. And the worst of it is coming from the inside of Copernicus, and the tunnel's right there. I mean, seriously. Seriously. Imagine artificial intelligence being able to hide this and all the bases and lines connecting everything on the surface of the moon. So since I can get debris, this is why people, look at the connections there. Oh my goodness. Right on the moon, guys. So here's the revelation about me and my research. Since I'm able to clarify the moon, obviously I'm using the technique to be able to see things in space, and obviously why I'm seeing UFOs during the day. Now, I'm not mocking or ridiculing anyone. I'm just showing you that I really can see a lot of these objects going by. Easy. Document the characteristics, my friends. The speeds, the objects. Zoom in on them. Slow them down. Adjust the exposure. And you'll see the same things that I'm seeing. You want more of this research? Keep coming back. Thanks, everyone. Surface of the moon. They're definitely mining on the moon or doing something. Thanks, everybody, for watching. Thanks for taking the time to subscribe to this channel. Darla, Ruth Kelly, Paul Sabo, Pat Grassar, and to everyone who contributes to this channel. More to come. Thank you. Aliens on the moon. When are they going to tell the world? Come on, Pentagon. Aliens on the moon. Aliens on the moon. And they're mining. They're mining on the moon. Thank you very much for the support to this channel. Everyone, thanks for the generous contributions, and thanks for watching the videos. Aliens up there on the moon. They may be even coming right here soon. Aliens are mining on the moon. Yes, they are up there. Doesn't matter, cause disclosure's coming soon. Disclosure's coming soon.